Okay, let's have a look at finding the midpoint of the segment between these 2 points. Now this is chapter 11.3, question 1, and I'll do A, I think, to about F. Okay, so we need to find the midpoint of the segment between points 1, 3 and 3, 5. If you remember from your notes, the midpoint formula is basically midpoint equals x1 plus x2, or both x values added up, divided by 2. So we're actually finding the average of the 2 points. And we'll add the 2 y values up, y1 and y2, and divide them by 2. Now, to find what x1, x2, y1 and y2 is, we look at the 2 terms. Obviously the first point here is point 1 and this one is point 2. So the x value in the first point is x1. This is the y value in point 1. This will be the x value of point 2 and the y value of point 2. If we simply now put these values into the formula, we should have the midpoint of these 2 points. x1 is simply 1 plus x2 is 3. Divide that by 2. Now the y value of the midpoint will be y1, which is 3, plus y2, which is 5, divided by 2. If we calculate all these two out, 1 plus 3 is 4, divided by 2, 3 plus 5 is 8, divided by 2, and we are left with 4 divided by 2 is 2, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the midpoint of those 2 points is the point 2, 4. Okay, question B. Let's find the midpoint of those 2 points. Okay, so we'll call this one point 1. We'll call this one point 2. So the x value of point 1 is x1. The y value of point 1 is y1 here. The x value of point 2 is x2. The y value of point 2 is y2. Now I'm just doing this so that it's easy to identify which is which. Okay, midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. If we input those values straight into that formula, we should have x1, which is 6, plus x2, which is 4, divided by 2, y1, which is 4, plus y2, which is minus 2, divided by 2. Okay, let's calculate those out now. 6 plus 4 is 10, divided by 2. Now, 4 plus minus 1 is the same as 4 minus 2, divided by 2. And that will round out to be 10 over 2. 4 minus 2 is 2 over 2. Simplifies out. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 2 divided by 2 is 1. So the midpoint of these 2 points is 0.51.